for your melodious voice.
Gospel means good tidings or good news. Now, let us give a big round of applause to Teresa Hallam and co who are going to perform a gospel dance.
dance. Was it?
What a
That's a modern
magnificent
dance.
performance that was. Thank you, Shabnam and Co, for your ecstatic dance.
We are going to have our next performer, Monisha and Co, performing Khasi modern dance. Please put your hands together to welcome them on the stage.
Ngambut berkhan pagi mandon rengka Ngamla mundur ngambut berkhan pagi mandon rengka Ngakin jalan dalam hindar mana Nang singkat telis sudah Dongin ya syak-syak ngin ya les ngomha Kat badan rengka posana Dongin ya syak-syak ngin ya les ngomha
Words of encouragement. I would like to felicitate Father Joel, the rector, who has felicitated every one of us. So may I request the students, let's give a hand to Father Joel's rector. We thought how to do it. Then slowly, through the cooperation of all and through the help of our benefactors, somehow now slowly we are bringing back life to our technical centers. I would like to congratulate you for the beautiful performances. I could see you have so much of gifts and talents. Singing, dancing, playing instruments, and we could see really so much of life in you. And that is really great. I will congratulate you and wish you all the best that you can really perform in your life as you go ahead in your life. Today we are here to have a very important meeting for our technical schools and to see how we can really go ahead and how to reach out to many more young people. And we have come here, we have different times, we have different meetings in different places, but most of the time we keep it the most procedure. So we are happy to see that many of you are making yourself available and coming to
time when we hear a certain cold, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying, oh, it's time to lay their hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
Thank you very much. क्यों नहीं गाया
गाया तो
ये गाया ये गाया ये कभी कभी गाता है कभी नहीं गाता
क्या चीज़
गाना वी आर डवा दिस टू दे आर नॉट सिंगिंग दे आर नॉट सिंगिंग they sing only the easy part now we are डवा
All the boys, good morning boys. Good morning. And the girls, good morning girls. I am Brother Purino Swan from Nong Soi region, Director and Principal of Technical School in Nong Soi. I am very happy to be here for the last almost an hour. All of us were sitting down watching. Any one of you dances when they dance? Did you dance? So, do you like to dance? Boys, do you like to dance? What about the girls? Do you like to dance, girls? Very few girls like to dance. Girls, do you like to dance? Okay, before that, many of you wish all the dignitaries, all the guests here, you wish good morning. Do you wish among yourselves good morning? I request all of you to at least raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. All of you. Side. To the right. To the left. Okay. Wave your hand and next please wish your friends good morning. Shake hand. Sorry. Girls, you must say I am beautiful. And boys, you must say I am handsome. So 2 sentences. My name is blah 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 blah. And second sentence is I am. I want to hear which one is louder, boys or girls. First, my name is, and second sentence, I am beautiful, and boys, I am handsome. Okay, 2 sentences. 1, 2, 3. I hear boys. There are more boys or girls here? I think there are more boys because I cannot hear the girls' voices. Once again, only the girls. I am beautiful. The boys, I am handsome. I can see some girls are saying, I am handsome. Okay, please stand up. All of you, please stand up. I guess you can stand up or you can stand up here. You are free. So when you say my name is, are you proud of your name? Yeah. Then you must say with action and with that feeling which is inside. You're really happy of your name. 1, my name is, and I am beautiful or I am handsome. 1, 2, 3. My name is. And I am very sure only the best students are in this hall. Do you believe that? Sir Charles, only the best are here in this hall. Do you believe that? Yeah. Then you must say, we are the best. Okay, my name is, and I am handsome, and the last sentence is, you must also show, we are the best. We are the best. With that expression here. So my name is, I am handsome, and the last sentence is, we are the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My we will dance with some of you. Follow up with me on that.
You're insecure, don't know before. You turn heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up the way that you act.
Hey, I'm not happy with your but you are not dancing. You must also dance. Clear? Okay, are you ready? You must dance. Don't simply. Nice to see you smiling, but I will be happier if I see you dancing. Okay. We are very happy to have you with us this morning. And once again, please say to yourself every day when you come to Don Bosco Silshad, I am the best. Once again, we are the best. 1, 2, 3. Okay, please clap hand for yourselves. Thank you.
Wow, what a